Porsche J&J Hug design multi-tool knife. So first of all, opens like this, very comfortable big handle. I love that. So it says right here J+J Hug design, model number, tight clip, and we have right here a couple of things. So first of all, screwdrivers, I mean. How does this come out? Okay, let's close the blade and figure this out. So this opens like this, and yeah, there it is, pretty simple. Pull it out, just with the nail, take it out. I can put different kinds in there, locks in there really well. Open it, slide it in, and same thing right here. Just nail, boom. And then right here is a screwdriver, ruler, millimeters, and locks in here. And right here, pretty long screwdriver, love that. Bottle opener, maybe, yes. Locks in there pretty good. And once I wanna put that away, boom. Looks like a nice big knife, love that. So comfortable, liner lock. Oh yeah, it is very smooth too. I can flick it. Thumb stud right here. Wow, what an amazing knife. Can open it slow or flick it. Very smooth, beautiful. I love that design. With two flaps right here, where they completely not in a way. I do not feel them when I hold it. Amazing. One Keychain Flashlight. I love these things. There's a clip and there is the keychain holder and so on. Usually it's like 5 times click to unlock it. There it is. 5 times, then 1 click. So there's the modes. Press and hold, quick access to the brightest settings, double click, and then I can change it. So single click will turn it on. 3 modes, double click, brightest, press and hold, and now it's a quick access, lit while I'm holding to the brightest, double click, press and hold, and again press and hold. That is so unique. And triple click, and that's it. Again, to access the other modes, double click, regular modes. Wow. And to lock it back up so it doesn't automatically turn on, 5 clicks. And to lock it back up, 5 clicks. That's it. The flashlight in a lock position again. So if it pressed by mistake, it will not turn on and waste battery. And there's notches, and this will go into the notches. The clip will be right here. Very cool. Nice clip right here. It can go pretty much this way or this way. I can put it into my cap and have it like a headlamp or cap light. I love it. So kind of like a double clip, this way or this way. Here a clip. There's a large one, there's a mini one I got, there's different sizes. So it's a Carabiner Hook. So this large one is more so for camping. I can hook something up, or I can hang a bicycle even. So whenever I don't need to use it, all I have to do is just set this up, open it, slide it over, and boom, now it's pretty small. Can use regular carabiner, and for like purses and such, grocery store, this would go this way, that would go on a cart, and there's a way to put like maybe baby bag, a purse, whatever, hang it this way. Or just go camping. Now we have a hook. Carabiner will be like this. The weight will adjust this way, so it will not slide out. Very cool, pretty lightweight. There's a whole bunch of different sizes. I just got a mini one and a larger one. Very cool. Heavy duty utility blade, 100 blades. I really like the dispenser. So let's unbox it, see what it does. Okay, so there's a button and slide. So it slides out right here. This is open, I guess, to replenish. So slide out, release the blade, push it back in. Slide out, it releases the blade, another one, pushes back in. And it sits in there really tight, none of them will come out. So spring loaded, pushing it down, all these blades. Super easy to remove the blades. And it sits in there tight to where it will not fall out. When I take one blade out, just push it up and release it. That's why I was struggling a little bit, because I was pulling it this way. All I have to do is push it up and release it. So that's another awesome feature. It will not just fall out. Open. Whoa! I could release it and take out a whole 5 blades for the team. No, 4 blades for the team. 1 blade, push and open like this, 4 blades for the team again. Need few extra blades. Take one out, put it in. So there's 2 ways of opening it. It tells us how many blades have left too. 100, 75, 50, 25. That is so cool. CJRB. Let's open it up. I love that locking mechanism. Anytime there's a unique one, I try to show it off. So there's a flipper, but also has a button in the back all the way around. Flips it really well. There's a 4-finger this way, more precision this way. 2 holds, and it's quite tight, so probably would be using it with 2 fingers to close it. And it's kind of fun to, oh wow, definitely have to use 2 fingers to close it. So flips it this way and 2 fingers to close it. Very nice, pretty interesting right here. The button, it's almost like assisted, not really. Flick have to be pretty firm for it to open all the way. 2 fingers button, 2 fingers open it and close it. Yeah, pretty stiff button, so definitely have to use 2 fingers to pull on it. But yeah, open it, just gonna flick it on this, close it. I can do it one hand. I think it will, once it's be used for a little bit, loosen up a little bit, so I can do it with 1 finger. Very nice. I really like that knife, the design and everything, the style of it and shape, so cool. Okay, I really like Waynesville flashlights C3 1200 lumens. So let's unbox it and get some impressions on it. So USB-C to USB charger, Waynesville layer holder, and couple of replacement rings. Okay, let's go. Usually these flashlights have one of these protections, and there's a rubber replacement and Waynesville big battery. I like that. Okay, pretty much simple everyday carry pocket flashlight. Fits my hand really nicely. Okay, that's a USB-C charger. It says hot right here at 1200 lumens. There's a light indicator and the button is right here. Ooh, this is definitely 1200 lumens. To turn it off and on is simply press it tight, but then light presses without a click and it will change the moods. Very gentle tap. Off and on, and now it's gonna memorize the last mood. So very unique flashlight. I like it. It fits pocket well. The mood settings, definitely never noticed that before, to where all I have to do is just tap it and it will change it, the moods, and it will memorize them too. Now that it's going to be the same mood on the lowest. Change the mood on the brightest, and now when I press it, turn it off and on, it will be the same mood every time. Very interesting. Store cell battery management. This is AA batteries, one of the most common battery size. So I can manage it in my cabinet, or I need to bring it with me, grab the whole pack. Very compact, and look at that, it sits in a really well, holds the batteries from light tabs to where they're not going to come out. Obviously if I try to smash it harder, it will come out, but from a light tabs, and whenever I need to pull one out, easy to access the batteries, easy to reload them too. I like that a lot. So there it is, and it has 3, 6, 12.